Everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Before starting this video, guys, join my Telegram group, guys, for free signal for free market update, guys. Join now Telegram group, guys. Link is available in video description, and also subscribe channel for more update, guys. In this video I'm talking about spaceid token, new listed on Binance future. You can see here really good changes occur, but unfortunately right now it's crashing. As you can see, 0.06 negative percent changes occur. And if we talk about the highest, 0.52 cent is the highest, and 0.43 is the lowest of last 24 hours, guys. So what's the prediction for spaceid coin, guys? Currently the volume is negative 19.61%. volume is negative. Fully diluted market cap, all changes. That means that spaceid coin currently looking bearish, guys. So obviously, guys, I recommend to all of you that open short position in a spaceid token. Possibilities that up to 35 cent, 0.35 cent possibilities that the price will dump, guys. So do short spaceid coin. And by the way, for more updates, stay connected on Telegram.